We're back with episode 2 of Neighbors Across the Street Stuck Outside in the Rain. It's a long title, but it's a work in progress. The rain is about to start back up, so I decided to start recording again. The baby is no longer in his arms. He is found shelter in a corner where rain is not really hitting him, but it's still hitting him. Our other neighbors are outside now. See, they speak Spanish. Let's see if they attempt to help. No, they don't. They just keep walking. There's so many of them outside. They can clearly see what's going on over here. Yet they don't help. Must be for a reason. 'Cause Dickie McDickerson over there don't like help from others than freaking Hispanic or Latinos. No, Latinos. Not Latinos. Latinos. Oh yeah. He's getting mad. It's getting hot again. Oh, he's going back to the window. He's going back to the window. You can't get in through there. I don't even think there's anyone in that house. Oh, this is going on World Star. World Star. Uh-oh. He's negotiating with someone on the other side. Like, baby, let me in, baby. Come on, baby. Let me back in. Please let me in, baby. It's raining outside, baby. I got the kids outside, baby. Let me back in, baby. Come on. I won't hit you again. Ooh, oh, I just burped. Excuse me. Uh-oh, the baby has fell. Baby down. Down goes the baby. Get up, baby. He just told that baby to get up. Too bad. God. So annoying. She's outside and it's raining. I'm gonna just drive by. Ain't shit. It came from right there. They ain't trying to help. It's so fucked up. Crying babies. Crying babies. World Star. Oh, 2 crying babies. Yes. Break the window, dude. Oh, yeah, that's right. Break it. Oh, some assistance? No. This is so bad. Baby crying. Baby's outside. In the rain. This shit's been going on for about an hour now. The rain is coming back slowly but surely. There ain't nobody trying to help. And I ain't doing no good by recording it. I don't care.